What is up, y'all? Oh man, we almost didn't get a video today. The weather is absolute garbage. We've got tornado warnings, we've got freaking flash flooding and everything, but it did slack off a little bit, so we're all headed out to the shop to meet up. We got the co-pilot. So dude, you're rocking the hoodie. Let me see that hoodie though. Yes sir, we got Grace with us today. She's gonna help out, do a little film. You gonna do some filming? No. Probably not. Alright, but anyway guys, what is up is we got a lot of updates on Lee's convertible, the 93 convertible, some wild strawberry updates and all kinds of stuff. So provided we don't drown, we'll head out to the shop and see what's up. See you there. Alright y'all, rainy, nasty, light, there's light. This weather freaking sucks, but you know, it is what it is. Guys, I gotta give you an update on Lee's car. The moment you've been waiting for, things are gonna start moving along really fast. And the reason? We got paint, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. All right, so he has not done any cutting, polishing, wet sanding, anything. This is just first coat. So you might see a few spots of trash in it. Don't worry, they'll be gone. But man, he freaking nailed it. Absolutely freaking nailed it. So this is really what we were waiting on as far as getting the Whipple and the Coyote and all that into Lee's car. The bay had to be done first. Once all the polishing, sanding, all the cutting, all that stuff is done, then we're going to wheel it over there and we can start putting it together. We've already got all the Maximum Motorsports front suspension for it. We've got his Dakota digital cluster. Got his giant 325 drag radials on the back. So yeah, y'all, this thing is going to be coming along very, very shortly. Still cannot believe this engine bay. Got all the lines are nailed. I mean, just beautiful work. Man, if I've never said it, well, I know I've said it before. I've said it before. Hats off to anybody that smooths an engine bay, because if you've done it, you know what I'm talking about. It is a job, especially to get it this slick. So there you go, Lee. Your bay, core support, everything locked and loaded. Whew. All right, so out of the rain, you can see what we're working with again today. Everything in the area is flooded. It's a mess. Luckily we got the shop here, but real quick y'all, the 4i car is basically done. It's about to head home. We did do a couple extra things. Dover cleaned up some of the wiring over here. There was some relays and some other stuff here. So Dover just kind of helped him out with all that and got the two-step installed. I don't know if I showed you all the Dakota cluster for the 4i. Oh, battery's disconnected. Anyway, yeah, you get the idea. So this car's gonna be heading home soon. We did torque boxes on it, the cluster, some wiring help, two-step, just a lot of little projects that that the owner asked us to take care of. So yeah, this car will be heading home soon. So if you caught last Friday's upload, we kind of got started on the wild strawberry car and made a bunch of progress. First thing is, all the moldings and weather strippings are all brand new. Everything around the windows, all around the door jambs, that's all new. We got the seats in, dash is in. This steering wheel is not going to stay. Actually, this is going to be replaced by the steering wheel in my car. I'll tell you why in an upcoming upload. We'll have another Fox project for you airbag guys. But anyway, seats are in, and these things are gold. If you're not real astute in the ways of the Fox body, black tweed seats in this kind of shape, and you can pretty much name your price. They're unreal. But did you hear that door shut? Yeah. Clean the welds up a little bit. Of course, you saw we got the quarter glasses in it. Oh, those wheels. Coming soon for mine. Alex did also get all the body side molding in. I almost forgot to show you that. Got all the body side molding on the car. Absolutely freaking beautiful. And I will take a sidebar, guys, and say normally I say paint the trim or the molding, the body side molding, body color. But because this is a 91 and because the paint looks like a brand new car, I'm actually really digging this. It looks freaking great. And you can see it's perfect. It's freaking beautiful. So this car is coming along. Still a lot to do, but trust me when I say this car is going to be legit. So a little more, y'all, for the Wild Strawberry car. You saw we dug the engine out. This engine is actually the one out of Dover's white car. This is the 2014 truck motor. I think it had 30,000 miles, something like that on it. But we got to clean it up. And this one is going in the Wild Strawberry car. Super solid, low mile Coyote, Gen 1. It's going to run great. But we did have some parts show up. These are also for the Wild Strawberry. Got 3-inch BBK X pipe. It's like BBK long tubes. I believe these are 1 3/4. So yeah, BBK long tubes. And then here's the rear quarter trim. He's got it dyed. It looks beautiful. Finish came out great, which is no small feat in this weather, because it's just like not stopped raining. And then if you didn't see, here's the rear black tweed notchback seats. So lots of updates, lots going on. So I have actually had a lot of questions about the Wild Strawberry car. Well, whose car is it? Is it a customer's car? What's the deal with the car? This is something that Dover and Alex picked up. They kind of threw in together to get it. But the car is actually going to be for sale. There was somebody that wanted to buy it, and then they backed out, and so Dover's just like, screw it, we'll just go ahead and finish it. So this car will be for sale. It'll probably be done a month or two. Again, we're doing this as manual brakes, manual steering, no AC car. If you're truly interested in the car, you want to buy the car, and you want to add all that stuff, get a hold of us. My email is always in the description. It will not be cheap. I'm just going to go ahead and tell you. The paint alone on it was $5,000, and it's beautiful. But you know, if you're a serious buyer, you're interested in the car, and you want all that stuff on there, hit me up, hit Dover up, whatever, and you know, we can put it on you. But it's gonna be amazing. Like I said, it's Gen 1 Coyote engine, TKO 600, of course 8.8. It's got gears, it's got Cobra brakes up front, it's full black tweed interior, brand new paint. I mean, everything's basically brand new. Built 8.8, not sure of the gear, but it's gonna be ready. Got $3,000 worth of Weld RTS wheels and tires on it. Gonna be wicked. So guys, that is pretty much what I've got for you today. Again, the weather is not cooperating. I'm very sorry the content is kind of slow to come, but can't do much about the weather. Doing our best. And but the cool thing is that obviously you'll get to see Lee's car. If you have not seen the engine for the beautiful black engine bay that I just showed you, yeah, you'll about to see this bad boy dropped in. So stay tuned for that. And of course, Lee's car, not Lee's car, this is Lee's car, that's Jeremy's car, and that's George's car. over there. But there's so much stuff coming. We just need some weather to cooperate. Some stuff going on with my car and all kinds of stuff. And the track's opening soon. So it's going to be awesome. Bear with me on the content. We came out in a tornado just for you. So there you go. But anyway, that is what is up, guys. Remember, go build your beast. Later.